Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So you have done with your pre-examination of IBPS PO. Now going forward, if you're confident that you are going to attend the mains examination, I'm going to provide you specific strategy for the 40 days that how you can prepare for the IBPS PO examination, what are the topics to follow, what is going to be the weightage of general awareness in your exam. So this year, maybe you guys are aware about in GA you are going to get 50 questions, 60 marks, 35 minutes of time. It is going to be one of the heaviest weightage in your all the sections. Apart from reasoning, it is going to have one of the heavy weightage. बहुत अच्छा weightage रहने वाला है आपका GA का, ठीक है? So definitely GA is very important for your examination. Talking about the last year exam and exam analysis, last year exam was held on 12th of October. पिछले साल आपका 12th October को exam था. Questions came from the March month onwards till October. मार्च से अक्टूबर तक के क्वेश्चन आए थे. वन क्वेश्चन वाज देयर फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर, वेरी लो, सो यू कैन स्किप अक्टूबर. बट मार्च टू सितंबर क्वेश्चंस वर देयर इन द एग्जामिनेशन. मार्च से सितंबर तक के क्वेश्चंस आए थे. इफ यू विल ऑब्जर्व, जुलाई एंड अगस्त हैड द हाईएस्ट वेटेज. एक्चुअली जून, जुलाई, अगस्त हैड द हाईएस्ट वेटेज. वेरी हाई वेटेज था जून, जुलाई, अगस्त का. एंड ऑल्दो द एग्जाम वाज इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर. सो दिस ईयर, based on the examination, I'm going to give you the proper strategy month as well, that which month you need to follow, how to do the revision, what type of pattern you need to follow for exam this year. Now, last year topic wise, that which topics were important in the examination. So banking awareness, that is static banking awareness, like the questions came from the topic check, payment settlement, NEFT, RTGS type of topic, or UPI or USSD, that type of questions, or RBI, that type of question. That is banking awareness question. 10 to 12 questions were there in exam. Then RBI and monetary policy, around 8 to 10 question. RBI circulars and monetary policy, so from there 8 to 10 question. IBPS PO and SBI PO, these are the two examinations where the weightage of RBI circular is very high. So you should follow the course where you have a separate section of RBI circular. आपके कोर्स में RBI circular होना ही चाहिए for these two examination especially. Now topic related to the economy and finance were 7 to 8. Digital banking and fintech questions were 7 to 8, 5 to 6 questions. Digital banking means same thing. That is the question related to UPI, UPI Circle, UPI Lite, or recently India have done the collaboration with which country for the cross-border UPI transaction. What was the payment fintech company in UAE which have done the collaboration with India for the cross-border transaction of UPI with India to UAE? These type of questions. Then after that, news of national and international importance weightage was also high. There was a topic last year which have not given more question but always very important, that is government scheme. पिछले साल तो ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं आया इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक से, बट वी कैन नॉट स्किप दिस टॉपिक. इट इज ऑलवेज very heavy in terms of the weightage for the examination. Now this year your exam is scheduled on 4th of October, right? इस साल आपका एग्जाम होगा most probably 4th of October 2026. Now talking about the important months, now first of all overall month, so you will be able to see the question started from February to September. आपके पास question Feb से September तक आएंगे, even started from Jan. You might get 1 or 2 questions from Jan also. So Feb to September, you will be able to get the questions. Now, September month will not be very important. Surprisingly, exam is in October, but first week. So, September month is not going to be that important. आपके सबसे ज्यादा जो important months होंगे, उनके बारे में बता देता हूं. August, that is June, July, August, these are going to be the most important months. अगर मैं आपको एक sequence बताऊं, so I would suggest you to follow July very properly. Then August, then June. And after that May. So this should be the proper sequence in which you need to prepare. Means if you have time to revise one more time, so you should revise July and August again. एक और बार आप रिवाइज करो जुलाई और अगस्त को लास्ट में 1 to 2 days before of examination instead of going for the September month current affairs. If you have time and you want to cover the September, 1st to 15th of September will be enough. Even 1st to 10th of September will be enough. So you need not required to complete overall September month current affairs. 1st to 15th enough होगा आपके IBPS PO mains examination के लिए. I hope the points are clear. So this will be the sequence of the current affairs for your examination which you need to do. For the month of Jan, Feb and March, if you have already done the current affairs, अगर आपने पहले से cover किया है, then only you need to revise MCQs. Otherwise, I would not suggest you to touch this. You need to skip it completely. पूरी तरीके से skip कर दो. From the month of February, you can do the budget MCQs. फरवरी से आप एक काम कर सकते हो कि बजट एमसीक्यूज को कंप्लीट कर लो, रिमेनिंग यू कैन स्किप दैट पार्ट, वो वाला पार्ट आप स्किप कर देना, ठीक है, जैन फेब एंड मार्च वाला. This is the Hustle 3.0 batch where you can get each and every topic in detail, monthly topic wise detailed discussion, one line question and answer, after that MCQs, then quiz for the practice purpose. Follow the batch for your upcoming IBPS PO, SBI PO, IBPS clerk, RRB PO, all the examination you can cover with the support of one batch without hesitation. In the next session, I am going to give you the list of important banking awareness topic. For that, you need to simply write banking awareness in the comment box. Banking awareness लिख देना comment box में, you will be able to get that video. Take care, Jai Hind, all the best for your exam.